So we're going to work at, hold on, chill out. So we're going to work at some low strikes or some defenses against low strikes. So he comes at me with a gut shot. I'm going to block, hit in, and this hand's right up here already. So boom, come back, right to the side of the neck, and it's not a punch, it's a twist with the forearm. So he comes again, boom, boom, boom. All right, again. Now, let's say we don't use this hand. Let's say we use this hand. So he punches me, boom, boom. I could do that with your hit. If I'm close enough, I do it with the hit shot, and then hit him here. If I'm not close enough, I'm going to go it. I'm not going to worry about the hit shot. I'm just going to hit him here. Now, let's say I get the hip shot, but instead of coming around here, spending all that time, come around to the side a little bit more. I get him low, and when he doubles over, he exposes his chin to me. I'm going to let my arm relax and pop it up here to that chin. So I hit him low, boom, right there. I call that off button, because right under that chin, that's an off button, you fall over. So let's look at that over here with the punching bag.
I didn't know that.
If you want to practice this against the punching bag, just on your solo drills, all it's going to be is, you might want to bend your knees a little bit when you do the low shot, back fist. You can practice that fast, you can practice that hard. I would practice it slow, feeding into fast, and let the hard just happen. And you bend your knees when you go down, straighten your knees when you come up. Or for the other one, boom, here. If you have a seam on your bag like I do, use that as a target to hit that forearm strike. Boom, boom. All right? And then if you want to do the off button technique, there's no real way to do it with this, so you're just going to do it in midair. Pop, pop. Now, let's do a follow-up. Kari, drop the sword and let's do this. Now, I first steal his attention high. We're not even going to do it as a defense anymore. Now it's just a strike. No, now it's just me striking you. I steal his attention low. I bring his attention high. Now what am I going to do? Where is his attention not? I could kick you, or I can do a takedown. There's one takedown, you just do a sweep. All it is 1, 2, let's say you're following me with your attention, 2, all his attention here, not here. I step in with my back leg. I'm going to use this as my pry bar. Pop up. Let's say, got that free horn shot on the way, jerk. So I go 1, 2, and now I'm going to do that same thing, but instead of that sweep, I'm going to step in for the hip toss. Pop up. Or, let's try this one. I go 1, and I don't even worry about this. I go in for here, but instead of a hit, I hit to bridge into the grab. And then from the grab, I feed him straight down. If you're feeling confident, you could use this for a double leg takedown. So I go 1, tension low, boom, attention high, drop. Now I don't want to lean in quite that much. I messed up there. So I hit low, hit high, step in, drop, catch right behind the knees, lift, set them down. A few follow-ups for those combinations. Thank you for working with the card. Thank you, cameraman.
Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more of what's coming out daily from O Sleeper Tactical. If you have a question about fighting or martial arts, throw it down in the comment section and you might see it answered in a future video. For more of what you just finished watching, check the description for links to related content.